channel, it's Lauren and welcome to a fun travel vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lauren. I go to the University of Alabama. I'm about to be starting my senior year this fall and I'm so excited. But most importantly, I'm here with my boyfriend Will and we are here at the Sun Outdoors Louisiana location. We are so excited. This is Reunion Lake and Sun Outdoors is the sponsor of this video. They have sponsored our stay here for a couple of days. So I cannot wait to share with you a little bit more about the company and all the fun things that they have to do up around here. I'll be sharing with you about that a little bit later, but I wanted to go ahead and introduce you to the vlog and say good morning. So it is now Tuesday. We got in yesterday, like right before dinner. We had a really yummy Mexican last night. It was so good, and we also kind of just walked around to see like what was around here. I know Will wants to go to the grocery store and like pick up a couple of things just so we have a few things here where we don't always have to go out. But we're so excited to bring you along. I absolutely love these travel vlogs and I know that y'all do too. So let's get going with the travel vlog and I will see you a little bit later.
You got a lot of heartbreak history, but I'ma make it all a memory if you go.
Okay, Will got out of the shower. We are about to head out to the store and also probably to pick up some lunch. And then I also need an SD card reader because I left mine.
Yeah, you know, we're just gonna make, do a little bit of errands.
Yes.
Get our stuff done today and then come back, relax, maybe have a beverage.
Yeah, he wants to get stuff for his Bloody Mary. Also, Ella's here with us.
Yeah.
It's a pet-friendly resort, so she's here. I don't know where she is.
Say hey guys, say hi.
We made it back.
We did. We got a little bit of peps. We got some greens, some broccoli, celery, a little bit of carrots, you go with some ranch and, a little Bloody Mary. We also got some drinks. We got some pickled beans.
You wanna say hello?
The fuzz is here.
The fuzz is here.
The fuzz is here, ready to party. Okay, before we can have fun for the day, I am finishing up editing a video that's going live today, but for my lunch, I got a sushi burrito. Will looked at me like I was crazy when I said I wanted this.
Yes, I did. Absolutely did.
So I'm done uploading my video.
Yum.
We are dressed and ready to go to the pool. We have a golf cart here too. You can rent out golf courses.
You can rent out a golf court, to ride around, They got basketball goals, they got tennis, they got a lazy river, kayaking. They got pretty much anything you would want to do.
Yeah, they have lots of cool stuff. So we have the golf cart here. That way we can just like kind of drive around. Also, the pool bar opens at 3.
You got nothing to lose, but I'm not that way. Taking my sweet time. Don't wanna be the one to cry, but I'm losing my cool, breaking my rules. I don't usually get so out of my head, walking the edge. What am I falling into? Out here again, where do we land? Tell me, is it too soon? Losing my cool, breaking my rules. I'm going crazy over you. My hands, they shake when you walk into the room.
We just got out of the pool. It was actually really nice.
Showing them did. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the store.
Again.
Probably going to get some meat, maybe some steaks. If you don't see any food in the vlog from what Chef Will cooked up on these steaks, don't think about it. Don't even remember it.
Don't even remember this conversation.
It may not be that great.
We swam the lazy river. We got into a cabana. It was really nice. They had like...
Lauren has found her love for a lazy river, y'all.
I've never been into a lazy river until today. So...
She loves it. Look, guys, enjoy your summer. We're going to enjoy ours. And we'll keep you tuned in. I don't even know if this will make it into the cut.
I'm going to make sure it makes it into the vlog.
Oh.
When you walk into the room and I can't think straight, there's no one like you, but I want in the chase this feeling with you. Don't walk away from this tonight.
We are back to our cottage. We just got done at the grocery store and came back here. We started prepping for everything. Will is marinating the steaks right now. I am prepping the salad, and then also I have been wanting brownies for so long. So I finally grabbed some brownies, and then I realized when we got to the checkout, I was like, We definitely need eggs and oil, so Will went back and got the eggs and the oil. We're also having some asparagus and some rolls. It's very, very convenient, and it's really nice because I obviously can see Will. I'll show you like my view in a second. Like cooking the steaks. We have neighbors on either side of us, so he's also making friends with them. It's just like such a fun environment over here, which I absolutely love. I've never stayed in a place where you can like make these connections with people, which is really, really nice when you're on vacation. But we're kind of just prepping dinner, getting ready for the night. I really don't think we have anything else planned except cooking dinner. We've been watching Netflix. Also, we've been watching The Circle on Netflix. It's really good. I think we're like on episode 3 or 4 or something. I think the first person just got eliminated, but highly recommend that show if you need a show to watch. So this is my view right now. We went ahead and shut some of the windows so I was able to film a little bit in here, but the grill is basically right there, and that is like our back porch to the lake. I also went ahead and basically prepped the salad. I'm waiting to hear if he wants onions and peppers on his. I don't think he does, so I'm just gonna kind of leave it like this right now. Already prepped the asparagus, have the rolls out, everything like that, and the brownies are already in the oven. Baby Elle is also loving everything going on right now. Will is the grill master.
Yeah, let me tell you right now, I'm the bomb.com. And you can, you know, put that down in your diary because it's a fact.
That is what he said. So, we are walking inside now. We just got done cooking dinner. The brownies did not turn out the way I needed them to, so that was kind of devastating. But we have really yummy steak, rolls, asparagus, and a salad, and I'm so pumped.
Lauren is ready to grub down.
I've been ready to grub down for like an hour.
And just pass out.
So we will see you tomorrow after dinner.
You know, whenever we figure it out.
Whenever we figure our life out.
It's gonna be a long time.
This is the salad. Mine looks a little bit different than Will's because I added some extra things onto mine.
Yeah, I might have should have put it on the grill a little bit longer.
Will is cutting his steak, figuring out what's going, or my steak. He's cutting my steak, not his steak. And then of course we have like the asparagus. I really didn't have any seasoning, so I dealt with like what I had to make sort of like a little marinade with it. Along with our rolls. Good morning. Happy
Easter.
Wednesday?
Wednesday. Yes, it is Wednesday.
But I let him sleep in a little bit. It's really quiet out here, so it's really easy to just like sleep in, enjoy your time here.
Welcome to Wednesday.
Hey kid, never stop running. Break me.
Just got ready to go to like the little clubhouse area to see what they have. We also are gonna get some like TikTok footage while we're there. Will is just sitting outside. We both ate lunch, and then we're going to be spending the day by the pool after that, but we're gonna be bringing you to the little area right across the lake.
With the setting sun, climbing to see the view, right on the edge with you, not afraid to fall. Here's to the ones who always find a way through the unknown, 'cause we're willing to chase after our goals. Wherever we go, we find out inside the free fall. Never playing it safe is where we belong.
I've changed for the pool. Went ahead and changed into a different swimming. We did go, they had like a little game room. They did have like a bar and I think like a restaurant at the top, but they weren't open when we went, so we couldn't get any footage of that. But yeah, we're about to go back on our golf cart and drive over to the pool and spend the rest of our afternoon there.
Bright lights.
Good morning! It is our last day at our cutie little cottage. I'm going to be showing you the outside of the cottage so you kind of see like where we were, what the outside looked like, and also the inside. I'm going to give you a little tour. We went ahead and packed up all of our stuff for the day. We're going ahead and getting on the road a little early. That way we are able to make it back because it is about like a 6-hour drive back to our hometown. I also want to let you know something about Sun Outdoors. Along with my partnership with Sun Outdoors, we are throwing a giveaway. The giveaway is for a Sun Outdoors gift card worth $200. This can be used on your vacation on any of their 175 plus resorts. The way you can enter is by subscribing to the Sun Outdoors YouTube channel and then commenting on my video what resort you want to visit, including the hashtag #MySunnier_side. You have to do this quick because Sun Outdoors is choosing the winner within 48 hours of this video going live. So if you're one of the first people to watch this in the first 48 hours of this video being up, definitely comment down that below and then go to the Sun Outdoors YouTube channel to subscribe to enter to win. So Sun Outdoors is also like an RV park / resort. We are more in the resort area because I don't have an RV, but I know a lot of y'all, either you or your family have RVs to travel around the country. Definitely look into Sun Outdoors. They are absolutely amazing. So we're in the cottages. So like I said, there's like 2 rows of cottages. One is like facing the lake and then the other ones are kind of facing the woods. I'm gonna give you a little tour real quick of our place that we've been staying in for the past few days. We had the fun golf cart right here, so we were able to drive down, but as you can see, these are like the cottages. So this is what the front of our cottage looks like right over there. They all look the exact same. All the way down there, all cottages. So this is the one that I'm going to be showing you. All right, so this is the main door that you walk in, and then you see the kitchen. Again, we have been living here for a couple of days, so if it's not completely straight or anything, I try to do my best for the vlog. But this is the kitchen area, and then this is the living room area right here. And then it walks back out into the porch. Porch looks like this. We did have like a little fire pit. This was the lake that we had beautiful sunsets with. Also in the backyard next to the fire pit, we had this gate so we could walk across and kind of enjoy the lake, which is so beautiful during the sunset. And then this is the front of our little place that we got to have. We ate dinner out here a couple of the nights. Obviously we utilized the grill, and as you can see all the way down here, like that's all of the cottages as well. Something else that was really fun was the loft space. So this is where we kept baby Elle stuff. This was kind of like steep stairs, not gonna lie, I'm very scared of heights. But this is the loft area right up here. So this is just where kind of baby Elle's things were. She loved kind of like running up and down the stairs and kind of just like chilling up here. She also loved these windows, like just sitting in the windows. She was obsessed. Then we had a bathroom, which is a pretty good size. Repping my JB merch. Anyways, of course we had like this shower. Up in here we had like some storage for some of our bath things. Then we had the bedroom. So this is what it looks like. We had this little area. Baby Elle absolutely loved sleeping right there. That's where she slept every single night. So we had the bed, and then we also had a TV right here, like we did in the living room. I hope you enjoyed our tour and our fun little travel vlog that we got to do for y'all. I have never been to Louisiana, so it was really fun. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to join the family, you can click that subscribe button also. I love you guys so much, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye! 'Cause you know that I'm already